In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install OpenSSL on Windows 11. By the end, you'll have OpenSSL fully set up and ready to use from your command line, so you can generate keys, certificates, and work with secure connections right on your Windows machine. Let's start by briefly explaining what OpenSSL is. OpenSSL is a powerful, open-source toolkit used for implementing secure communication over networks. It's commonly used to create and manage SSL and TLS certificates, generate encryption keys, and test secure connections. Having it installed locally is really useful if you work with security, web servers, or development environments that rely on HTTPS. On Windows 11, OpenSSL isn't included by default, so we need to download and install it manually using a trusted Windows build. The most common way to do this is to grab a pre-compiled installer from a reputable source that provides Windows binaries for OpenSSL. In your browser, search for a Windows build of OpenSSL that matches your system architecture, typically 64-bit for most modern Windows 11 machines. Make sure you download from a well-known provider and avoid random or unofficial mirrors that might not be safe. Once the installer is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and run it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. The Setup Wizard will open and guide you through the process. Carefully read each screen, and when you reach the license agreement, review it and click to accept. For the installation directory, it's usually fine to keep the default path suggested by the installer, unless you have a specific location where you keep development tools. During the installation, look for any options related to adding OpenSSL to your system path. If the installer offers a checkbox to update the environment variables automatically, enable it. This allows you to run OpenSSL from any command prompt window without typing the full folder path every time. If that option isn't available, don't worry, you can still add it manually later. After the installer finishes, open the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. To verify that everything worked, type OpenSSL version and press Enter. If the installation was successful and the path is set correctly, you should see the version number of OpenSSL displayed. That confirms OpenSSL is installed and ready to use on Windows 11. From here, you can start exploring OpenSSL commands to generate private keys, create certificate signing requests, or test secure connections, all directly from your Windows terminal.